Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, my name is Abigail Yaboa. In today's video, I am finally showing you guys my Ayurvedic hair oil recipe and how I make it, showing you all the different powders as well as the oils that I use. So if you're interested in seeing how I make it, please stay tuned. Starting off, you are going to need a mason jar or any bottle that you can store the powder and oils in. The first Ayurvedic powder that we're using is amla powder. Amla powder is the holy grail. If you are going to use any powder at all, I recommend this. As it says, it conditions your scalp, promotes a healthy hair growth. It also minimizes grays and also boosts your volume for your hair. Henna powder is an Asian powder that has been used through and through. Henna powder is so great in making your hair healthy, glossy, and giving you volume. It helps bring back the health of your hair and also repairs that damaged hair. This is my first time actually using coffee in my hair oil. However, coffee has many great benefits as well as, promoting hair growth, fighting hair loss, and also improving the blood circulation to your scalp. Tell me in the comment section which of these powders are you excited to try. Fenugreek seeds are also another staple. They are great in fighting dandruff, promoting hair growth, reducing hair fall, and it's just great overall, honestly. At the time when I bought this avocado oil, I didn't realize that I had bought refined. My recommendation is to buy unrefined. That is the one that's least processed. Now, I'm not saying this is not great. However, unrefined avocado oil has the best nutrients. It's not been processed and it's true to its nature. Castor oil. Y'all know castor oil is my guy. Castor oil holds you down, and this has aided in my natural hair journey and growing out my hair, thickening up my hair. Castor oil can never steer you wrong. And I I use two different types of castor oil, the unrefined pressed castor oil and also the Jamaican black castor oil. You can decide to use either. I personally find both of them great. So I did a half a cup of each to help, give my hair all the strength it needs. If you're enjoying this video, make sure you hit that like button for me. Now, coconut oil. Coconut oil is a great carrier oil. However, I don't like using it all that much. It has a lot of great benefits. So a little bit, goes a long way for your girl. And that's why I ended up using only 1/4 of a cup. So I usually make a big batch of my Ayurvedic hair oil because I share with my family. However, everything that I'm showing you guys, you can just, downsize it. So if it's a half a cup, downsize it to 1/4 of a cup. Amazon is one of my secret ingredients that helps in my hair growth. What it does is it keeps your hair in the hair growth stage even longer, and paired with vitamin C, it just, brings it to another level in hair growth for you. If you've gotten this far in the video, comment down below hair growth 2021 because that's what we're coming for this year, guys. Clearly you guys can see I was a little heavy-handed with the peppermint oil. I personally love peppermint oil, so I did more than 7 to 10 drops, but it's all a preference thing. I just like that tingling sensation on my scalp. You can choose to infuse it for more than 2 weeks, but as a minimum, at least 1 to 2 weeks is my recommendation to y'all. So I infused my oil for about a week, and now I'm pouring the Ayurvedic herbs and powders all into the stocking cap so that it can remove the powders and the seeds and whatnot, and that doesn't get into my bottle. So I didn't have a funnel on me, so I had to use this big bowl and pour from the bowl into the bottle. My recommendation is to have at least a funnel or like a glass cup that you can pour it from, so it makes it less messy for you. this is how I make my Ayurvedic hair oil that has been aiding in my hair growth. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell below so that you are notified the next time I upload. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.